I'll open it up for the questions. So the first question which I have is from Ankur. One query: even a working professional with 10 years of experience can join this program. And how about job support for them? Ankur, there are two segments in this. One, either you're working in the same industry. Second, are you coming from a different industry? So if you're working from the same industry, you can absolutely join this course. We have multiple professionals here, including Archana. She is working with HSBC. We have Sojanya. She is again having an industry experience. We have other professionals who are working in the industry. For those, your job support is basically our network. So once you have cleared your global securities operations paper, you have appeared for the training which I have mentioned till hedge fund accounting. We will share your CV with our hiring partners based on their requirement, and we will ensure that you're getting interviewed. That is within our hand. What would be your CTC? Very subjective. That is something which is a discussion between you and hiring manager. Which location? We will try to accommodate your location request, but we cannot assure because this industry is very specific, and those who are comfortable with location shifts, they are preferred always. But will I stay with you till you get placed? Absolutely yes. I and my team will be with you to ensure that you're able to attain whatever you're looking from your career opportunities. I hope I was able to answer your question. Was I? Yes, no, maybe. Thank you so much. Question from others.
Yeah, Syed, I've seen, in the testimonials or, among your students, most of them who got placed from your institute or who have.
I'm sorry, you went on mute, Raghu.
I'm so sorry.
Hmm.
So yeah, Syed. So from the testimonials or the students who got placed from your institute or the placement support that has been provided by your institute to the students. So I've seen most of them are either at early stage of their career or have gained some skills and got into the market. So,
Absolutely.
what about I would like to ask, what about someone who's at already in the mid-level professionals? So, would this placement assistance or assurance will be provided to them as well, or if in case if it's provided, what kind of support is provided to them?
Okay, Raghu. Again, to come to your question, there are two segments here. First, how many years of experience you are coming with, and what are your skill set, which particular profile you have been working in the past. Okay. So the best which we will be doing, we will ensure that you have the relevant skills. Then we will ensure that your resume is reaching to hiring managers. That is the most difficult part of a experienced professionals recruitment. And we will connect you with the relevant industry practitioners. Because at mid level, when you have passed, let's say, manager or senior manager level, your recruitment happens only on the reference. It's not like something where we have a walk-in drive and people are coming and joining at an early stage, correct? It's purely on the reference. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, got it. Thank
So it's purely a networking.
So yeah, you would be providing this, this networking kind of platform
Absolutely.
as well, or
Absolutely. That's what I'm saying. Every month we invite industry practitioners. That's an open platform for you to interact with them, correct?
all right, all right.
And we
So
have
Sayed,
industry. Yeah.
so basically I come from a derivatives background, derivatives operations of like 9 years of experience.
Okay.
And remaining 1.5, which I'm currently working, is into financial research, being an auditor.
Okay.
So, am I eligible for this course or like,
Yes, you
is
are,
it?
Ankur. So have you worked with any global bank in the past?
Yes, I have worked with the companies, global companies in past.
Can you please help me
several-
with the names? Am I audible?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Ankur.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
please tell.
sorry, there was a call. Um,
Mhm.
so basically what I was stating is I have worked in past with Society General,
In that
with
case, I don't see
SSNC
any
as well.
challenge. I don't see any
Yeah,
challenge, Ankur. Okay. So if you have worked with the industry, you know how it works. Okay. Now you
yeah.
only need is opportunity that I'll create for you. That's on me. Why I'm creating that opportunity? Because I'm absolutely sure on your skill set and you have learned those skills. If you come back to me and I see you have not learned those skills, I'll ask you to go back and learn those skills first. Then I'll create opportunities for you. Making sense?
Yes, Sayed, sure. And would also like to have a one-on-one with you once we are
Absolutely.
done with the sessions.
Absolutely. Teja, please ensure that I'm connecting with Ankur. Okay. All right.
Yes, Sayed.
I think Lavina has raised her hand. Lavina, you have a
Hey,
question?
hi. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. So, sir, actually, I need to understand this little more properly. Like you said, there is one, there is first there is one exam, okay, and then there is second. Like
Correct.
I have taken a screenshot of the exam, the topics and all that you mentioned, which
Correct.
is very relevant to what we are studying or what we are
Correct.
doing right now. So I'm a
Correct.
professional with around 6.5 years of experience in finance right now, and I'm mostly into syndicate loans.
Okay.
Okay, so within a company also, if you're changing from syndicate loans to compliance, or you're going to risk analysis or risk rating or anything like that, it seems to be like a change of career. So here,
Absolutely.
what I need to understand is being in finance domain. That is also something that we have to study. So what I have two questions over here. First is, uh, is there a time gap between giving first exam and then going for a second exam? That is what I understood, that first you have to give one exam and then you have to give second, and then there are certain trainings like fund to fund
Correct.
accounting and all. There are certain trainings that you have to take. That
Correct.
is a period of 9 months. So this
Correct.
9 months, how would you justify? First you have to give one exam in 3 months and then 2 months, like that something, and then after you give first exam, what do you get in return? Like, do you get any certificate or something like that, where
Yes.
on that we can go ahead and look for a job? Like in my company, I'm not looking for a job, but I'm looking for a promotion per se.
Absolutely.
Okay, so in that way, I can update my resume and float in, like there are IGPs which happens, and I can float internally in my company. So that is what
Absolutely.
I'm looking first thing. And second thing uh, is this exam, like if I give this now, I'm just going to be very honest to you, and if I, because this is something that I'm really thinking of, or maybe we can take one to one, I don't know. If I give
Absolutely.
this, or if I give, like, there is a 9 months training for CFA level 1. Okay,
Correct.
so what do you think will make more sense, where if you consider me to be like an MBA finance, that is what I have done. Okay, so this will make more relevance in my CV, or CFA level 1.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you so
now up
much.
to you.
Two
Yeah.
beautiful questions. So coming to first question, exams. Okay. So your training is 30 hours. Okay. So we are trying to cover your each paper in 1 month for CISI. Level one, a paper one exam is optional. If you want, you can give. You will get a certification from CISI, which is accepted in all global banks. I'm not sure which bank you're working. There are banks which do reimbursement as well. Okay. For your
Mm-hmm.
examination fees. And there are banks where it is mandatory as well for your promotion. Okay. I
Okay.
can give you the list. Now,
Mm-hmm.
second, your global securities operation is mandatory for the placement. Why? It is the most relevant paper. Either process you're working doesn't matter. You have to work on the payments, you have to work on the settlements, you have to work on the reconciliation, you have to understand risk, you have to understand taxation. These are the most important factors, irrespective of the process you're working into. That's why we have kept it mandatory. And that we are planning to finish by Feb.
Okay.
So Feb end, you will be done with both of the papers. We have
Mm-hmm.
officially started our batch today. This is the first session, okay?
Okay.
Tomorrow will be a second session where we'll be getting into the actual content of the CISI.
Okay.
And then you get into fund accounting. Now the acceptability, all global banks accept this. Does retail banking segment accept this? My answer is no. There, the value of the NISM is more than CISI. Why? Because that's mandated by the regulators. Now, a differentiation between CFA and CISI.
Mm-hmm.
CFA is a gold standard charter for finance professionals who wants to get into either portfolio management, research, or that part of the industry. CISI is again a charter, professional charter, which is curated for the working professionals who works on the operation side of the world. So if you're working in investment operations, fund accounting, custody, or any ops roles, there is nothing better than CISI. Why I would say, okay? For example, in CFA, you understand about derivatives, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now in CISI, I'll not train you on what is derivatives. I'll train you on how to calculate mark to market. And if there is a settlement failure, how much fine you have to pay. This is something which CFA will not train you. Okay. Now, another comparative analysis is end-to-end fund accounting. If you want to take a trial, all of you guys, you want to take a trial, you're most welcome. Open ChatGPT, amend your CV with the keywords used in private equity and real estate fund accounting. Upload that in Naukri. In 1 week, you will start receiving calls from the hiring guys. Why? There is a huge demand in the private credit, real estate, private equity fund account. And no one is training end to end. This is actual skill-based training. That's why this is one of the best for the professionals who wants to start their career or who wants to upgrade their skills in the investment operations. If you want to get into, let's say, portfolio management, if you want to get into equity research, no, this is not the best fit for you. I'll be very honest, blunt, and transparent. But if you want to make career with JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman, BlackRock in the investment operations, because that's what we have in India. We have GCC now coming to India where niche roles are coming. That again, front office is not in India. Middle office and back office are in India. So if you're part of that segment, you want to make career in that segment, this is one of the best for you.
Okay. Okay.
I hope I was able to answer your questions.
Yes, yes. And after every training, like fund to fund accounting and all, you get a certificate from your
Yes.
end.
Yes.
Okay.
And it
From
would be certified by BFSI Sector Skill Council, which is partner with Skills India. So it is
Skills India.
accepted in
Okay.
India.
It's accepted in India. Okay. And
Yes.
those two certificates which you said after first exam and second exam, that will be getting from UK CISI.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And that will be done by Feb, both the exams. Like I would like to
Yes.
go for a level 1 exam also and level 2 exam
Absolutely.
also. So after
Absolutely.
completing both the exams, I get investment operations certificate from CISI.
You will get 2 paper certifications. For IOC, you require one more certification where I'll help you with another paper based on your specialization. You have to clear 3 papers for investment operation certificate. Why we have not kept that in this same curriculum? Because the course would have gone for another 1 month or 2 months. I don't want to make a 12 months course. Already 9 months is long period.
Yeah, correct. All right. Yeah. Thanks, Ed. I would love to connect once again with you, but I think yeah, this serves the purpose. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Which bank you're working with?
Okay, so I'm working for Crystal. Okay, this is Crystal, right? It's a
Yeah,
rating
I know. It's a
agency.
rating agency.
Yeah, but then I work for Citi under Crystal. So
Okay. All right. Makes sense.
indirectly, I'm working for Citi basically.
I understand. I understand. No worries. I have many friends working in City.
Okay, thank you.
Crystal as well. All right. I have few other questions. Sojanya is dropping off. Thank you, Sojanya. Thanks for joining. Guys, just to give you a background, Sojanya is an executive director in UBS. And she is doing the same course with us. I'm sure that all of you guys understand the relevance, correct? Yes, no, maybe. Can we get the placement in P with experience of mutual funds? Absolutely. Yes, Priyank. You would be trained on those things, and we will ensure that you're getting interviewed, and we will ensure that the hiring managers are considering your resume. Clearing interview is on you. Am I being absolutely transparent here? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
The question was asked by Priyank. Now Tripti has asked another question. 1 second, guys. 8+ years of experience in product control. I'm looking for the relevant certification in derivatives accounting. Please suggest. Tripti, we covered that. I already had someone. I'm not sure if she has joined today. She has worked with UBS in the product control team, and now she has got into a Northern Trust. She's a qualified chartered accountant, and I can assure you this certification will serve your purpose. We can connect separately if you want.
Hi, Sayed. Yeah, thank you for the answer. Yes, I would like to connect with you separately. Uh, I
We'll
have
we'll discuss
few.
in the length.
Yeah, sure, sure.
I'm having
How
two
can I
years
connect
ex.
you?
Sorry.
How can I connect you separately?
My team will reach out to you.
Sure, sure. That'll be help. Thank you so much.
All right. I'm having 2 years experience in Broadridge alternative investment for segregation of capacity notice. How can I switch to fund accounting? All right, Broadridge. Uh, do you know this guy Ravi Raman in Broadridge? He is ex-COO of Broadridge, and he's on the advisory board of CISI as well. So it's our responsibility to help you to switch. That's why we are here. Once you have completed your course, we will ensure that you're switching your role. Can we get placement for fixed income securities? Absolutely, Jaya, you will be getting placement, but can I get you placement in fixed income securities? Very subjective. It depends which role is open in the market. Based on the skills, we will ensure that you're getting placed. We have any further questions from anyone, guys?
Hello, Rajeshwari
Hi.
here.
Please tell me.
So, I have over 5 years of experience in transaction management,
Okay.
focusing on unmatched pre-match trades and settlements. And I
Okay.
am currently working in global performance reporting. So,
Okay.
will this course help me advance my career and achieve my job switching?
Absolutely. You know, Rajeshwari, one thing where our industry lacks is personal branding and networking. I'll be very honest with all of us, okay?
Okay.
You, to give you an example, Oaktree is getting set up in Hyderabad, okay? Are you guys aware about this?
No.
Yeah. Okay. So Oaktree is a competitor of BlackRock and those, okay? In the recruitment of Oaktree, I'm aware about that. What are the profiles required? Why?
Sorry, which
Because I have
company
my
your voice is breaking?
Oaktree. Can you hear me, Ankur?
Oak Tree. Okay.
Yeah, Oaktree. Even
Yes.
Altadomus is already done the setup in Hyderabad. Vanguard is coming in Bangalore. So I work very closely with the top executives of these firms. And networking is the key. I'll ensure that you guys know that how to get career rather than job. Job is just one switch, okay? I can get you placed. That's not a concern. The concern is career, long-term career, where you can connect with an executive director, seek their guidance rather than running for money, run for a career. That's where the actual impact will come. And that's what I'll be training you. I hope that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Any further question, guys?
Yeah.
No questions?
So,
Yes,
yeah,
Raghu. Yeah,
so in the securities services, there are many products offered by, different financial institutions, as
absolutely.
finance against shares or banking settlements or custody, or there are many other products. Why
Absolutely.
actually choose fund accounting as an extra, other option other than IOC Module 1 and Module 2? Was there any reason behind choosing fund accounting, especially including it especially in this course?
Raghu, to give you the background, majority of the hirings right now in the market are in fund accounting. Investment ops, the hiring is limited. Okay. Only few banks are hiring that again, they do the campus recruitment. Off campus is very limited. And even domestic players, including HDFC and Kotak, they have come into custody business as well as fund administration business. So fund administration will keep growing. Either there are PE deals, or there are hedge fund deals, or IB deals. We need fund accountants. And it is purely based on the demand from the industry, where we have the majority of open roles. Like, for example, 10 years back, we had a huge demand for product control. 3-4 years back, we had a huge demand for business analyst. Everyone was doing business analyst course, but now that is saturated. How long the fund accounting demand would stay in India? I can say another 5 years. After that, even I don't have any visibility, but I can assure you, whatever is required, you will be informed about that, because things are changing rapidly. I hope that makes sense.
All right, all right. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Guys, anything else you have to ask me? Any further questions? Yes, no, maybe. How many of you guys are my students here? Can you please type yes? Let me see. There is a question Chinmay has asked. It's a great session and informative. My question is learning about clouds. Is it beneficial for this course? I won't recommend cloud as of now, Chinmay. I would recommend AI for automation. Maybe you can learn how to use Python using AI. That is the need. Anyways, we are covering Excel automation for AI that I'll be training in some time. By 1:30, I'll be starting that training directly. But Python, I'm not covering as of now. So Python is something which you can learn. And if you really want to get deeper into AI, I would recommend you to go for agentic AI, how to create AI agents and how to train them. That would be a separate discussion altogether. That's the future, agentic AI. 1 point total fees for the course. Have we discussed that? Not yet, Ankur. Usually, I keep fees towards the last once everyone is satisfied with their questions. So there are 3 components in this. First is your training fees, which is 50,000 plus GST. It is a discounted price. Second is placement assurance fees. If someone is looking for the placement guarantee, yes, we can give you the guarantee. And if we are not able to place you, we will refund your placement guarantee fees. And that is very subjective. If someone wants, it can be discussed with them separately. Third is CISI examination fees, which is 266 GBP, and I'll get you 40% discount in that. And this is highly discounted price. Yes,
Both the modules combined, you're saying?
Sorry?
CISI fee that you mentioned, is it?
CISI is 266 per paper. It's
Yes,
listed on their website.
yes, all right.
That goes to CISI directly. It has nothing to do with me. I get 40% discount from them. I pass it to you.
So how much for the placement guarantee that you mentioned? You didn't mention anything about it.
It is a separate discussion.
Okay, all right.
Usually, I don't promote that.
Okay.
Especially for the working professionals, I don't promote that. Reason being, because you are already working in the industry, you understand how industry works. But why we have kept it? Because of this one placement guarantee things, my students were going to my competitor. They were like, your competitor is offering us guarantee. I'm like, I'll also offer. And if I'm not able to place you within that given timeline, considering you have done this, take your money back, which is placement guarantee. Please.
Okay, cool.
It's black and white. Everything would be documented. No unethical sales. I hope that makes sense.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
Any other question we have here? Now, guys, talking about the way I train, this would be always conversation in my
Uh,
trainings.
uh, one
Yeah,
more
Raghu.
one question, Sayed. What about the schedule of the course? How is it going to be? Are we doing the course, one by one, completing each and every module,
Yes.
or are we having it, randomly, or someone will inform me in the WhatsApp that this is going to happen?
No. It's scheduled like from today onwards till first weekend of January. Your first paper of CISI is trained.
Okay.
Then from that, second paper of CISI would be trained. from March, from February itself, your fund accounting will start. So the way you have seen in the PPT, correct?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that.
Okay. All right.
In between, there will be industry practitioner session. That is something which is purely based on them. For example, if I'm inviting a ex managing director of State Street, I have to adhere to them when they are available. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
So that is something which would be informed to everyone.
All right. All right.
Everything is structured. You have LMS, learning management system. You can access recordings. You have placement support. You have student mentors. You will be getting a dedicated mentor with whom you can connect and do the doubt solving. And if you're not satisfied, you can reach out to me anytime. I'll be part of your group.
Sure. Sure. Thank you.
All right. Any further questions from anyone?
One last question.
Please.
Say you just said that the first security investment introduction to security investment, it's not mandatory, but
Yes.
second one is mandatory, right? So
Yes.
global security operations. So if somebody wants to go for like second one, like okay, we go ahead and give second one. So can later somebody can go ahead and give the first one also, or we should
Absolutely.
okay, because first one if we give the it's not mandatory, it's optional, so we can go for second one which is mandatory, and then
Absolutely.
later we can come back and switch just to add a certificate in our in our portfolio. We can go ahead and take first one also.
Absolutely. Any given day.
Okay, all right.
The
And how
purpose is to
much?
ensure that flexibility is there. It is budget friendly. Everyone can afford this. Because if I'm adding 3 certification of CISI, the examination cost itself will go to 1 lakh plus.
Right, that is what I was calculating. Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you.
So once someone is working, they have seen the impact, then they can pay and they can do it. I don't want you to keep investing money unnecessarily where you are not sure.
But second one, so we have to invest, we
Yeah,
have
that is
to go
mandatory.
ahead.
That is mandatory by
That
the
is mandatory.
organizations.
Yeah. So we can go ahead with that one and then we see the impact. And if you want, we can always, because we have a period of 9 months, we can
Yeah.
always go, take first one and then again, invest and
Anyways,
get
you are
the.
getting trained on the first one. What you have to
Hmm.
do, you have recording access of LMS, okay? You want to appear for the paper, let's say after second one. You can revisit the recordings, you can sit for the preparation because every alternate month the new batch is starting. The exam preparation goes for papers as well. So you can sit in that, you can appear for the examination.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any further question from anyone before we move to AI training, guys? The elephant in the house. All of you guys have joined from your laptops? If no, can I request everyone to please join from your laptop? The reason I'm asking because we'll be doing something practical. No PPT is nothing. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the confirmation from everyone. I see few of my students who are part of my existing FPA batch are from few of them are have joined from the college as well. So I would request someone who has been part of my sessions in the college to share their experience. Maybe Sanskar, would you be comfortable sharing your experience with my trainings? How do I train? Sanskar, can you hear me? I'm sorry to put you in the spotlight. No, that's challenging. Either you're listening to me or no, is a question. Guys, I have trust issues. Maybe I'll pick someone else. Hmm. Let's hear from my ex-student. Archana, would you be comfortable sharing your experience? And why have you taken this course? If you can hear me. Am I audible, guys?
Yeah, hello.
Hi. Please.
Yeah, hi, sir. Yeah, could you please repeat it once? What is the
My,
question?
my question is, can you please share your experience learning with me in the past? And why have you taken this course?
Oh,
This can help others as well.
yes, yeah. Regarding the first, the last classes which I have taken, it was wonderful. So I really enjoyed the way you teach
What
and the
was the
way you
impact
it was wonderful.
and what was the result after taking my classes? Am I audible?
Penny, yes, hello.
Yeah, my question is, what was the result? Where did you get placement? Which team you're working with?
Yeah, I got opportunity in HSBC. Got interview calls and then I cleared also. And now I am with transfer agency team department and working since from 2 years. Yeah, it's now 2 years. It's already completed.
Thank you so much. Now, guys, you might be thinking HSBC, what is a big deal? The big deal is HSBC Kolkata.
Yeah.
To get into HSBC Kolkata, it is very, very difficult. Anyone here from Kolkata, apart from Archana? No one, correct? So HSBC Kolkata is a home for many people who are surrounded in that eastern region. And the competition is huge. To give you an example, let's say in Maharashtra, if we have only one bank and people surrounding Maharashtra and nearby states, all of them are applying for the same bank. Now imagine how easy it would be to crack that. And I'm an enabler, guys. Okay, I'll train you. I'll ensure that you're getting relevant opportunities. That's all I do. Your career is my responsibility. At the same time, it is equally your responsibility. If you're not investing your time and your money wisely, you come back, keep blaming me. That will not help you. And neither me. I always have candid conversations with everyone whomever I take into my course. And the reason is very simple. I don't want tomorrow you come back to me and say, hey, Sayed, because of you, I have taken this particular course and I'm not getting the impact. We don't want to get into those conversations. All right, guys, all of us are ready with the laptops. Yes, no, maybe. Wonderful. What about others? Tripti, can you avail laptop from somewhere? Would it be possible for you? Guys, I need a confirmation if you are sitting with the laptop or no. Because this is a practical training which I'll be giving you. All right. So there is an activity which I recently started doing where I want you guys to understand what are your core strengths and weakness. So what I want you guys to do is write your 5 strengths and 5 weakness and input in your chat GPT and ask what is the best career suitable for me. Is it possible to do? Can we do this? A small activity. Consider this as an icebreaker. No, have you understood my question? Write your 5 strengths, write your 5 shortcomings, and input that in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT based on my strengths and shortcomings. What do you think which career is best suitable for me? Is this difficult one to do, guys? Am I audible? Yes, no, maybe. Guys, can someone confirm if you can
Yes,
hear me?
yes. Yep.
All right. Have you understood my requirement? What you have to do? 5 strengths, 5 shortcomings. Input that in the chat GPT and ask, what do you think? What is best career suitable for me? I have nothing to do with this activity. It's you, your AI. Is there anyone who doesn't know what is chat GPT? I think all of us know, correct? It helps us in drafting emails. Is this done? The activity? You can do this on the phone, on the laptop. Can you please confirm yes? Can I get a yes in the chat box if you are done with the activity? Shivam is like doing, sir. Others, even working professional guys, I would recommend you to do this activity. This will help you. Is there anyone who has completed this activity, guys? Let me know what is the answer you got.
It says, one second, one second. A freelancer, researcher, writer, analyst, market strategist, freelancing, because I said I don't want to work every day. That's my weakness. I don't want to work 5 days in a week. I want to work. I'm a good communicator.
Whenever,
I said.
whenever I'm free.
Yeah, actually, researcher. I said I'm a analyst, communicator, good communicator, hard worker, good calculation skills. So all this thing. But I don't want to work every day. I want to work like 3, 4 days only, not every day. So this things you said, now weaknesses. So I just had to be
Yeah, yeah.
honest.
Yeah,
So
you have to be.
freelance, freelancer, freelance researcher, writer, analyst, market strategist, and it's still giving me more options. It's still coming only,
Wow.
but I think it's done now. UX market researcher, yeah,
Wow.
content research, content something came up. Content strategist, okay, huh.
Wow.
Content
All
strategist,
fancy terms, correct?
yeah. No,
All
it
right.
was
Thanks
fun.
for
But
sharing.
thank you. Yeah.
Just an icebreaker, okay? So everyone is like awake. I know it's a lunchtime. We all must be hungry. Raghu, how about you? What did you get?
Got strategy and business analysis, product management, capital markets, custody, compliance risk, research and insight roles, and operation strategy.
Okay.
I don't
How
know.
about
This has all my old data, so I got
it's okay.
to my present or something like that.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm glad. How about you, Tripti? What are your observations? Anyone else wants to share? Maybe someone who is a fresher, absolute fresher. Krishna. Nehal, you guys want to share anything? Am I audible?
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
I'm Nehal from JSPM College. We just met for that session.
Mhm.
And I told ChatGPT about my weaknesses and strengths. So
Okay.
it advises me over the roles like accounts executive or HR roles, then business operation associates,
Okay.
and banking and financial services like that, because I told them that I don't have very much knowledge about coding or all other technical things, but I'm more interested in financial and accounting work. I have strong base in my advanced accounting graduation.
Very good. So guys, is it a difficult activity to do? Anyone? You must be thinking this guy Sayed is high on something. He's asking to do a self-analysis. And trust me, guys, this self-analysis is the most powerful tool. I see people dropping off. Again, those who want to drop, they can. But the actual training will start right now. This activity I always do. Why? Because I want to train those professionals and aspirants who are serious about their own career. You know that at the beginning of this session, how many people we had?
36.
We had approximately 41, 42, correct? Thanks, Shivam. Shivam mentioned 45. And now how many of us are here? 24. Why people have joined? Because they wanted to learn AI automation, but they don't have patience. We all want to learn things for free of cost, but we don't have patience, correct? The unfortunate reality of the market. So let's open a blank chat GPT. Do we have anyone here who has worked in the reconciliation team and who understands what reconciliation means? Okay, first question before even getting into that. Do you all see this developer tab on your Excel sheet? Guys, do you see this developer tab on your Excel sheet? If you don't, now how do you activate? Go to files, go to options. Can you see my screen?
No, your screen is still on ChatGPT.
Okay, my bad. Let me do a screen sharing. Usually I worked with HSBC and global banks. So we are sticking with one tab because of the privacy concerns. So can you see this?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
We have to go to file. We have to go to options. Do you see this one, customize ribbon? Are you all with me, guys?
Yes.
Click on the customize ribbon and tick on this developer tab. Have you done this? Everyone? Those who have logged in from their laptop? Yes, no, maybe. All right. Thank you. So now why this developer tab is required? This is basically used for the Excel automation, which we call macros. 2 years before, if you would have asked, say, do you know macros? I would say, no, absolutely, I don't know macros. But today, what can I say? Yes, I can create a macro in next 3 to 4 minutes. Do you want to learn those skills? Guys, yes, no, maybe. Give me a yes if you want to learn. All right. I see. Yes. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. We all invest money in mutual fund, correct? We all are investors. In COVID, people have started investing in when the market crashed. They were like, no, this is not something for me. The unfortunate reality of the investment industry, correct? All of us are investors. We know what is mutual fund. Anyone who doesn't know what is mutual fund, guys? Here? Mutual fund सबको समझता है ना कि mutual fund क्या होता है? We know what is SIP, systematic investment plan, where you keep investing a small amount of money every month, which is deducted from your account and invested in a mutual fund. इतना सबको आता है? Now let's see. We have SIP calculator. What do we have? SIP calculator. Yes or no? Guys, you can unmute and speak. वरना मेरे को सच्ची बहुत बोर होता है. I don't enjoy training alone. So I'll click on this, okay? And let's say my monthly investment is 5,000 rupees. My returns are 12%. Duration is 10 years. And this will show me invested amount, estimated returns, and total value. All of us are aware about this? A basic thing, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
A forecasting which we are calculating. You can use DCF, you can use forecasting, a basic Excel calculation, correct? But can we automate this? Let's try all of us together. Those who are using their laptop. Now, what is my need? Can you give me macro code for Excel where I want to create SIP calculator? What are my requirements? I want to invest money monthly. My return percentage would be annually. I need expected returns as well as inflation adjusted returns. Simple, guys. Am I writing in Chinese or Arabic or any language which you don't understand? Plain English? All of us can do this?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I don't want to create any sheet in the Excel. I just want to input numbers and this should show me result. That's my need, okay? What am I asking? I'm asking for a macro code, okay? Have you all copied this prompt? Do you want me to send this prompt in the Zoom?
Yes, please.
All right. Those who are dropping, I wish you good luck. The actual training started right now. I've sent, okay? Enter. Let's see what ChatGPT gives me. So do you see this macro code? Something coming?
Yes.
Now this gives you instruction as well. Now what are the instructions? Ready to use Excel macro that functions as fully automated SIP calculator. You don't need to create any Excel, any sheets, tabs, or formulas. You will just run the macro, input values through pop-up boxes, and macro will instantly show. What it will show? Expected SIP future value, inflation adjusted future value, total investment amount, total returns. SIP calculator VBA macro, no sheet required. So what I have to do? Copy and paste this into a module in Excel VBA. Copied. Now where do you find module? We go here. We go to this developer tab. We click on Visual Basics. Okay. You go to Insert. Do you see this module? Guys, do you see this module? Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
Click on
Yes.
this and paste the code. Okay. Again, I'm going back to ChatGPT just to make your life easier, guys. I'm developing macros with multiple sheets every day. I work on this. Okay. Priyank, is there anything you want to add?
Oh, no, sorry, it's unmuted.
Can you please mute yourself? Thank you so much.
Yes.
So what this macro does, when you run it, ask monthly investment, annual return percentage, investment duration, and inflation. Okay. Then shows a cleanup pop up with total invested, expected returns, inflation adjusted future value, all without using or modifying any worksheet. If you want, I can also create a button that runs this SIP calculator, a version that exports result to PDF, a version that plots a SIP growth chart, a version that gives month-wise, year-wise projections. This is advanced version, okay? I want you guys to start with very basic. Am I making sense? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
So we are here. What we will do? Do you see this button? Guys, below debug, do you see this button?
Yes, sir.
Do you see this
Yes.
run button?
Yes.
Click on the run and again click on the run. Now what it is asking on my screen? Do you see me inputting amount?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone, are you guys able to see me inputting amount? 10,000? That's what I can invest, guys. You guys can invest lakh or 1 million. That is absolutely fine. Expected returns? 15%? Fair expectation? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Investment duration, 20 years. Long-term investment, okay? Again, this will take me to inflation, 6%. Can we keep 6% as an inflation, guys? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
Do you see the result? Was this difficult one to create? Guys, have you created your SIP calculator following this? Were you able to create your SIP calculator following this? Give me a yes, give me a no, give me a maybe. Priya is saying yes, very good. Anyone else? If you're not able to create, please let me know. I'll stop sharing my screen and I'll help you to create your first SIP calculator using AI automation. This is very basic. Priyank, are you logged in from your laptop? Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen. Can you please share your screen? Now, guys, those who are not my students, this is the way we train at FPA. No PPTs. Can you go to AI, Priyank?
I have copied the code.
Okay. Go to developer. Do you see the macros? It is not on, correct?
I guess.
Why?
No, it's on.
It's on, correct? Double click. Go to insert. Click on module. Paste the code, go to run. After debug, there is a run. Click on run.
Which one first?
Yeah, first one. Enter amount. Click OK. Enter returns. What is it is asking? Duration. Enter
Yes.
duration. Click next. Okay. Click OK. Done?
Yes.
Sorted?
Okay.
Was this difficult?
No, actually, I was not able to run the.
That's okay. But my question, was this difficult to learn?
No.
Then why are we all scared from AI? It's that simple, guys. Please stop sharing your screen.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Anyone else who wants to practice with me before we get into the actual things which we do on the floor? Guys, anyone else? Lavina, Raghu, Shreya. Lavina, were you able to do this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Others? Have you done this? Archana, have you done this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Nihal? Nihal? Were you able to do this?
So I'm in college and I don't have my laptop with me, but I'm trying on my college PC, so maybe it will take time.
No worries. Jaya? Prathna?
Yes, done.
All right. Imtiaz? How about you? Disha? Jayesh?
I'm using mobile phone, sorry.
No worries. Jayesh? Disha? Nidhi? Simran? Raghu, how about you? Were you able to do it? Yes, no, maybe.
No, I'm a little disturbed now. I have a kid.
Okay,
I just came to home on this weekend.
no worries. All right, guys. Do you want to do something advanced?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes, no, maybe. I
Yes.
think someone
Yes,
has
sir.
worked in the
Yes.
reconciliation from here in the batch. Who has worked with the reconciliation? Was that you who mentioned yes? Guys, anyone of you have worked in the global banking, maybe on the reconciliation of those products?
Currently, I am working as an reconciliation associate in Clearwater.
All right. So Shikha, I need your help.
Okay.
So when we look at the breaks, okay, reconciliation. What is reconciliation, guys?
Reconciliation, basically, we are like matching the books from the trading and custodian. So,
Now, 1 second for the broader audience, I'll explain. Okay, before getting into technical side, I know my trainings are always technical, unfortunately. So, for example, we have here. Let's say I'm a student. Sayyid is a student. Okay, and Sayyid gets 30,000 rupees monthly pocket money. Okay, out of 30,000 rupees, Sayyid pays rent 10,000. Sayyid pays food 5,000. Sayyid has entertainment and other bills, another 5,000. Ideally, what should be the amount left in my account on the month end?
10.
10,000?
10,000.
All of us agree to this?
Yes.
Yes.
But Sayyid is
Yes.
having only 5,000 rupees in the account. Where is the rest 5,000 went? Now, this is what we call it
Reconciliation.
recon. It's as simple, guys. Making sense? Now, this 5,000 is taken as a cash and 5,000 is in the account. So we have, end of the month, we have 0. Correct? This equal to this. That's the reconciliation. All of us agree to this?
Yes.
Now we highlight this in RAG. Now what is RAG? Red, amber,
Yeah,
green.
green.
Now green are the breaks which are accepted below tolerance. Amber are the breaks which will make an impact. We have to investigate them. We have to investigate green as well, but it's not that ke aag lagi hui hai. But this red, they are your nightmare. They'll screw your happiness. They'll screw your team's happiness. They'll screw your bank's happiness. Am I making sense? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
All of us on the
Yes,
same
sir.
page?
Yes.
So what we will do, we will create a small macro which can turn our breaks into red, amber, and green. Purely practical. Can we do it? Can we do this? Guys, can we do this? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So first thing what I need is, I need data. Let's say a global bank, okay? I need 100 line items of cash and position recon between EB basically is a prime broker, okay? And custody. Okay. Can you create this? Make it realistic, okay? That's my ask. It has given me something, but I don't need this. So I have to ask my AI again. You have to keep asking AI until you don't get your desired result. Am I making sense, guys?
Yes.
Now it is asking me, what do you want? I need an Excel version. It has given me the Excel sheet.
Yes.
And I have downloaded that. Let me see. So it has given me breaks, correct? And it has given me break description. Now, what is break? This should equals to this, okay? Now we'll put a formula, this minus this, okay? So you see this, I'll drag this. I'll put it here, okay? So do you see this? Guys,
Yes.
are you able to see this? Now, what I want to create a macro where my Excel sheet can show me which are the breaks which are below within the variance of 0 to 10, which are breaks which are within the variance of 10 to 100, 100 to 1000, and 1000 to maybe we can keep 10,000, and then something like that. Okay. So can you give me macro code to run in this sheet where it highlights breaks in red, amber, and green. The criteria is 0 to 100 green, 100 to 1001 amber. Anything about that is red. Okay, guys, those who have worked in the reconciliation, am I making sense?
Yes, Sayed.
Absolutely.
Yes.
This will make your life easier.
Yes.
Let's see what it gives. So it has given me a macro code, okay? Tuck, 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 tuck. I have copied this. Now this is my All right, I'll go here. 1 second, guys. I'm really sorry. I'll click on developer, Visual Basics. So this is already having a macro which is open. I don't want that macro, okay? So what I have to do, I have to close that sheet, which is SIP calculator. I'll not save it, okay? Now here what I'll do, I'll go to Visual Basics. I'll go to Insert, Module, paste this, okay? And I'll click on Run. Let's see. Guys, people who have worked in the industry, now tell me, is this difficult thing to do?
No, sir.
And do you think this can save your life and time both?
Yes.
Others, did you understand what we have done right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you guys happy with this particular skill?
Yes.
So my first priority is this particular position, correct? It says there is a difference of 20,000. Why? I have to sit and investigate. Am I training today on the investigations? No, that is part of your curriculum in global securities operation. I'll train you there, okay? But today I'm training you how to create a simulation for that. Why I'm training you this? Because in your every class, whatever you're learning, create a simulation, practice on that. Now, those who are asking me questions about the placement, have you got your answer? How we are ensuring that you're getting relevant skills? Guys, yes, no, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do something beyond Excel sheet. Do you want to do something beyond Excel sheet, guys?
Yes.
Maybe. Let's take reconciliation as a topic. So I want AI to create a PPT content for reconciliation for derivatives. I'm being very specific, okay? Let's see what it gives. This part all of you know, correct? Guys, do you know this part?
Yes, yes, yes.
Easy, na? Easy peasy. It says I create a PPT for download. It will do that. Add infographics, charts, anything, everything, blah, blah, blah. Correct? Now, there are multiple tools which you can use for AI, correct? Where you can create a presentation from text. If you want the names, Gamma is one of the tools, very beautiful tool. The PPT which I ran is created on the Gamma, okay? Then we have presentation.ai, again, a beautiful tool on which you can create presentation. Canva is another tool on which you can create presentation, okay? But I want to create a macro code and create PPT. Is that possible? Guys, is that possible? That's the first question. Yes, no, maybe.
Maybe.
Okay. Now this is creating some code, correct? But have you heard this in the past? I don't want to add that as of now. Let's go and see, guys. Okay. We'll copy this. We'll open this. And same way, I'll open the Excel sheet. Blank Excel sheet, guys, in front of you.
Yes.
Again, in the PPTs, I can show what I have opened. This PPT, same PPT which I ran. I'll close this as well, okay? Anything open in the PPTs you see?
No.
Guys, do you see anything open? You might feel कि जादू कर गया नहीं जादू नहीं करता यार. I train. Same story. Insert. Module. Too many lines in continuation, okay? So we'll go back. Now it says too many lines. Can you give short code? So there are times when things are not working as the way you want. So there what you have to do, interact with your AI, guys. Train your AI. Consider AI as a kid, a small kid, nursery or UKG kid whom you are training every day, okay? That's when they will work as per your expectation. So add it. I'll go here. I'll click on run. So it is giving me compile error. I'll go back here. Copy code. Do you see a presentation opening in front of you guys?
Yes.
Is there anything which is not relevant to derivatives? Now, can we do advanced things in this? Absolutely, yes. You can do multiple things in this. But for that, what you have to do? You have to train your AI. Am I making sense? Let's go to presentation.ai. I'm into finance. I'll continue. I have my content already, okay? So what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll ask this content to be in 10 slides. This is the content, correct? I'll go here, I'll paste this, and I need in 10 slides. Thanks, Shiva. So here, I'll copy this and I'll go back on the presentation.ai and I'll paste here. So I'll remove this. Okay, guys. And I'll remove this as well. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Derivatives, okay? I'll click on continue. I'll select this maybe. I'll continue. How many slides you want? Let AI decide. I'll continue. So who is my audience? Middle office, back office operations. And I'll click on continue. Professional I need. Again, I'll continue. Now this will give me multiple options which I can use, correct? Guys, can you see this? AI is asking me questions. Do you see this? Which particular type I want to use? Let's say I go here. If I see this, maybe I can scroll, or maybe we can use this. We can use this. Or maybe we can use this one. This one looks better, correct? Guys, yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
I'll click on continue. Okay, let's do a slideshow. How is this page? Isn't it clean, guys? Precise, clean. Is it? Guys, am I audible? I know you all are hungry, but isn't
Yes,
it
sir.
clean?
Yes.
Next slide. What are derivatives? Futures, options, swaps, forwards. Really pleasing to our eyes, correct? No unnecessary drama, isn't it? Next
Yes.
slide. Why reconciliation matters. Especially those who have worked in the reconciliation, they would be able to connect with this slide, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next. Key instruments reconciled, ETD, OTC. IRS, CDS, FX swaps, TRS. What is verified position cash economics to ensure consistent valuation and controlled risk? Positions, cash, economics, everything is clean, correct? Core workflow. This is how the workflow goes. Receive external file, ingest PB, custody, clearing files for comparison with internal records, match trades, reconcile position, verify cash and margin, identify breaks. Common breaks in derivatives reconciliation, position break, cash break, valuation breaks. Root cause of reconciliation breaks. Controls and best practices. Summary Q&A. Do you think that if you have this kind of PPT presenting to your stakeholders, they would mind appreciating you? Where you have inputted everything, but still it is not like too clumsy, too wordy, not boring as well. Is this a bad tool to access, guys?
No.
Have you tried this before?
No.
Yes, no, maybe. All right. Maybe a new thing which is much needed, yeah. Let's say I'm taking this picture, okay? Do you see my screen? I've taken this picture, correct?
Yes.
I'll copy this. I'll open a new chat. I'll paste this. Can you give me prompt to make this photograph in blue, royal blue blazer where I'm planning for investment offs and I will be using this picture for my LinkedIn profile. Simple prompt.
Yeah.
Guys, you can do same for your picture as well. I'm sending you the prompt. I'll hit enter. I'll copy this. I'll go here. I'll open Gemini. Okay. Gemini is an AI tool by Google, and it's a crazy tool, guys. You can do multiple things. I'll paste the prompt, and I'll need that picture as well. I'll copy this, and I'll go to Gemini again, and I'll paste the picture as well. Okay. Done? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll press enter. Was this difficult one, guys?
No.
Have you tried this before? Yes, no, maybe.
Maybe yes.
Do you see how it has created the background? I have same blazer, same color. I don't want this frame. I'll ask, can you remove text and frame? Let's see what it gives. Yes, I can. This is what AI is capable of. Do you want to give me any case study where you want me to work on with you on that? Guys,
Yes, sir.
anything which is troubling you, please give me a case. I'll help you how that would be done using AI. Anyone? No one, guys? Am I audible?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are, Priya. Please.
Actually, I am trying to automate my work.
Okay.
So, using AI and macro.
Okay.
So, what happens in my daily basis, I have to consolidate some extracts for
Okay.
reconciliation purpose.
Okay.
So, the extracts will be changing on day-to-day basis, as we know. But the thing is, I am unable to crack the code, like how we can consolidate. There are around 20 to 15 extracts on daily basis from the client side. And
Do you
I
have
am,
any shared folder from where the extracts can be taken?
yeah, extracts will be saved in particular folder.
Okay. Can you share
So,
your screen?
no, I don't, no, I don't have my laptop right now. I'm just connected with my mobile. I'm just explaining the scenario where I'm facing the difficulty.
Let's do this. Okay, guys. Do you think this is doable? Team?
Yeah,
Yes, it will be helpful for us.
This would be helpful for you guys?
Yes.
Do you want me to do this?
Yes.
Okay, can you create 10 cash and position different files to save in the folder where I will be running macro to reconcile them, and the macro will take data from my local folder where I have these files saved. I need different files. Maybe you can keep with PB names. I
Also,
don't need
so
sheets.
I want to consolidate that extracts like the 10 different files, whichever we are having in our folder.
First, let
I
us understand if this is picking from the folder or no, correct?
yeah, I want to know that also.
So we have different files, correct?
Yes, sir.
I need in a zip folder where I can download all in one go, okay? Done? I'll click. That's the biggest challenge with ChatGPT. Now, this shows, guys, that I'm not using premium version, correct? I have these files.
Yeah.
I'm creating a folder in front of you guys only. Recon Auto. Okay. This is my folder. I'm saving this, okay? Now I have my files here, correct?
Yeah.
I'll go back to the same thread again. Can you give me macro code which has to pick source files from my main local folder, which I will select and highlight my breaks in red, amber, and green. Easy?
Yes.
Guys, those who have taken admission in my latest batch, how's your experience going on as of now? A lot of learning or no learning on the day one? We'll open Excel. I'll go here. I'll go to developer. Go here. Insert. Okay, I've done this. I'll run this. Do you see this? It is asking me for the folder.
Yeah.
I've gone here. I'll search for recon automation. Do you see that anywhere? The folder.
You can date modify.
Guys, do you see this? Screen blinking on your screen?
Yeah, it's blinking.
That's what your question was, Priya?
Yeah.
So you have to talk with AI, okay? We can connect separately if you want my help.
Yeah, sure.
But you understand?
Yeah.
Everything is doable. Everything. Now with the bigger files, where the file size is bigger, you have to use Python. Similarly, you can run Python code as well.
Okay.
Am I making sense here?
Yes, sir.
Guys, have you learned something new today? Hi, Tushar. Are you too early or too late? I have no idea. Am I audible? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I'm opening it for the conversation now. How's your experience till now? Disha is saying great. Okay. That's just one word.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
It
Again,
was
one word.
good, sir.
Thank you. Experience Fox. What do you think? Is this the right place? Was I able to train you something new today, which can help you to become a better professional? Now, will I be training you in the same fashion, same line? Absolutely, yes. During every chapter which I'll be training you in GSO, we will be creating multiple simulations, multiple projects where we will be working together using AI. And even in fund accounting, we'll be working on the simulations. We'll be working on the NAV packs. NAV packs. When I say NAV packs, it means NAV packs. I have created NAV pack using AI as well. The most difficult thing in a fund accounting is calculating or computing NAV, correct? I have been able to do that as well. So those who are my existing students, guys, if you want to be part of my fund accounting batch, your batch would be starting from Feb onwards. You can reach out to your counselor. You will be having a discounted price, which you have to pay. And those who are not yet our students, if you guys want to enroll in our program, I'm sharing my number here in the chat. You guys can reach out to me. We can connect one-on-one and we can understand how I can help you with the enrollment. I hope that makes sense. Yes, no, maybe. I wanted to train you guys on more technologies, but the challenge is the participation is really, really slow. And a lot of you guys are not on your laptops. And I'm not sure if you guys are practicing it or no. And my classes are not where I train. My classes are where you are practicing along with me. So once you are part of the batch, it would be even more serious conversation. Making sense? There will be another session on AI automation where we will be learning new tools. These are just few tools which we have learned. There will be more tools which are required in your day-to-day operations. Where I'll be training you on your LinkedIn profile optimization. I'll be training you on the importance of personal branding. We'll be working on your LinkedIn profile together. We'll ensure that you are able to know how to create a personal brand in the market where hiring managers are approaching you rather than you applying for the job. Where I'll guide you how to create an ATS compliant resume. But that would be accessible only for my students. And on the technical side, I can assure you we have best faculties. And I would say I'm not the best one. They are way better than me. And I have trust issues. I don't impart anyone as a faculty until and unless I don't know them personally. All right, guys. Jash, it is covered in GSO Global Securities Operations. It is also covered in your fund accounting, both places. Because to compute NAV, you need to do portfolio accounting. For portfolio accounting, you need reconciliation. You also need pricing. You need cash. You need corporate actions. We'll be doing multiple reconciliation. Trade reconciliation is just one reconciliation. I'm not sure if you guys have seen my post at LinkedIn. I have done a post at LinkedIn with I think 14 types of reconciliation which we do in our industry. And that was part of one of the project which I was doing with one of the college in Pune. I have trained those students on hedge fund accounting. I hope that makes sense, Josh. Does it? Yes, no, maybe. All right. Josh, are you already a student of FPA? I'm really sorry. I have very terrible memory.
No, sir, no, sir.
If you're not, then you should decide if you want to continue with us. Because tomorrow the session is first class of CISI, where we will be learning on the introduction to securities and investments from the financial market point of view, financial participants, role of each participant, each product. Purely technical, proper content. So all of you guys have my number, correct? Drop me a note on WhatsApp and then we can connect. I have some time, maybe till 5:30. Before that, if you guys want to connect, I'm super happy to connect. Post that, I have my meeting with one of the managing director of State Street. So then I would be available maybe post 8:30. And if any one of you guys are in Pune, I work out of Pune location. And those who are from Mumbai, you guys can meet me in Mumbai as well. I keep traveling to Mumbai because our head office is in Mumbai. People in other cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, I keep planning to travel across. So if you're learning with FPA, if you're a student, I'll ensure that we are catching up at least once during your course. And rest, I can assure you, your career is our responsibility. That's all I tell to everyone. But at the same time, you have to learn. Because we have seen Mumbai office location, Jaya, Borivali, Thane, Port, Charni Road, 4 locations. I sit out of Borivali office. And rest I can tell you guys, we know that we are 17 participants right now. And this shows the seriousness. If someone is not serious about their career, no one can help them. But those who are serious, whenever, wherever you require my help, I'll stand with you. Anyone wants to share any feedback, any suggestion about today's session? This is one habit which I will always follow in my sessions. Towards the end of the session, there are 2 questions which I ask. First, what is something new which you have learned today? Second, do you have any suggestion, any feedback for me where I can improve? Because it's a collaborative study. So anyone who wants to share about your observation about today's session, what are the new things which you have learned? Shikha, maybe you want to, as you are already a student of FPA now. Sorry for putting you in the spotlight.
Yes, it was a good experience, and I am looking forward for the more.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And any suggestion, any feedback, how we can make it more interactive, ensure that you are not getting bored. Because
It is
Zooms are boring.
interactive, you you try to, get interact. It is, for me, it is interactive.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Uh, we have something here. Your session is so much helpful, learning something new and different. Thanks a lot, sir, for your informative session. Thank you so much, Jaya. Again, are you already a student of FPA, Jaya? I have no idea. All right. In that case, I would encourage you to enroll in FPA. By today itself, my team will help you guys. So you are not missing next 2 classes. Maybe you guys can connect with me if you want. We have no cost EMI option available. Wherever, whatever help you require, we are happy to assist. Absolutely, whoever wants to connect with me, please drop me a hi on my WhatsApp. I have already shared my number. I'm sharing again, and you guys can connect with me. Thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure connecting with all of you and those who are already enrolled in FPA. For you, the homework is you have to create your own SIP calculator, first thing, a reconciliation automation file, second thing, and a profile photograph for your LinkedIn, third thing. These things, 3 things, and share in your group or share separately with me by EOD today. EOD, all of us understand? End of the day today.
Yes.
Making sense?
Can you
Yes.
please repeat these three things?
Okay, first thing is SIP calculator. Second thing, a reconciliation file with a sample where we are highlighting that in red, amber, green. And third thing is profile photograph for the LinkedIn, the way I have done it. Okay.
Thank you.
This is mandatory, and in every class, there will be a homework like this given to you to ensure that you are practicing. Because studies, you have been doing studies, guys, all of your career, correct? I don't want to open another institute जहाँ पे मैं book लेके आपको पढ़ाऊँ. You don't have time, I don't have time. You guys are investing your hard-earned money or your parents' hard-earned money just to get the relevant skills. And if you're not getting relevant skills, there's no point. Thanks, Priya. We can connect separately once you are ready with your laptop to understand your case and how that can be automated. Okay.
Sure, sir.
You're part of batch 10, correct? All right. Does anyone have any question? Any question, any suggestion from anyone, guys? All right, Tripti, in our industry, we don't address each other with sir, ma'am. I think you have been part of HSBC. So you can call me Syed. Guys, those who are still on the call, are you still there? Do you have any question? If yes, please ask. If no, you must be hungry. Go and have your lunch. And now people are dropping. Very good.
Hello, sir. I just had one
Yes.
question.
Yes, please.
This we have to pay the fees 50,000 plus that CISI fees. I guess you said something around 332, 326 or 332 together, or you have to pay like first your training fees. Like how does it
You
work?
can, Lavina, you can start with the training fees. That again, we have no cost EMI, okay? So you don't
Uh-huh.
have to pay in full. It would be 59,000 rupees. So you can pay that in, let's say, 12 installments, basically.
Okay.
So it would be 5,000 a month.
Okay.
The purpose is to make it as economical as anyone and everyone can afford it.
Okay. And when do we pay the fees for? Because now it till Feb, we are sitting in November, right? So
Correct.
Feb we have exams. So how sooner you have to register with CIS, and you will do it for us or we'll do it?
We will help you. So once your preparation is ready, you let us know. We'll put you on the mocks. You clear the mocks, then we'll pay to the CIS.
All right. Okay.
We'll help you
Thank
with that.
thank you, sir. Yeah. All right.
All
Thank
right.
you so much for your session.
Thank
Yeah. I'll be
you.
leaving now. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.